Want to turn your Phantom Wallet crypto into cold, hard cash in your Indian bank account? Let's dive right in. First, open your Phantom Wallet. You'll see your Sol balance or other Solana-based tokens. Next, you need to transfer your crypto to a centralized exchange that supports Sol and INR trading. Popular choices in India or Binance or Wazirx. Create an account if you don't have one. Within the exchange, find the deposit or receive section for Sol. Copy the Solana address provided by the exchange. This is where you'll send your Sol from Phantom Wallet. Go back to your Phantom Wallet, tap Send, paste the Solana address you copied from the exchange, and enter the amount of Sol you want to withdraw. Double-check the address before sending. Once the Sol arrives in your exchange account, navigate to the Sol INR Trading pair. Sell your Sol for INR. You'll typically see a buy-sell interface with market or limit order options. A market order will execute instantly at the current price. Now that you have INR in your exchange wallet, go to the Withdraw section. Choose INR as your withdrawal currency. Enter your bank account details accurately, including your account number, IFSC code, and name. Submit your withdrawal request. The exchange might require two-factor authentication for security. Withdrawal times vary depending on the exchange, but you should receive the INR in your bank account within a few hours to a couple of business days. And that's it. You've successfully withdrawn crypto from your Phantom Wallet to your Indian bank account.